Great rise. Yeah, man. Namaste. Yeah. Welcome to another Herbal Laws garden video here on YouTube. Yeah, man. On the Herbal Laws garden channel, we grow fruits and vegetables, but most of all, we love herbs to tea. And in today's episode, yeah, we have some vegetables where, yeah, we have methods that we try. Mm-hmm. Uh, we try the moringa mixed with the neem, yeah man, and wash the vegetables, preventing, you know, bugs and insects and things on them. Yeah, but uh, because of it's been so overwhelming, a lot of bug, especially the stinking bug. So I'm trying another method to see which one of them work faster. Because it's not that the moringa and the neem don't work, but it works slowly. So I'm gonna try another method in this episode, and that method is with uh, baking soda, yeah, and vinegar. Yeah, so my mixture. This container hold 2 gallon of water. Yeah. Now this measuring cup is 25 of this full of gallon. So this would be 50 of this. In a this. Yeah. I use 1.5. Yeah. To the 50. So it's 1.5 of this vinegar and 1.5 of this of the baking soda. That's my mixture. Yeah. Yeah. So it's just a trial method. Yeah. Yeah man, so I don't have a spray container. So I'm gonna just use water. Yeah. Yeah man, so it's the vegetables, the tomato and all of those stuff, you know. I planted some cabbage yesterday, right here. So also that area too. So these are some of the everyday challenges that gardening and farmers go through. Yeah man. Insects, aphids, bugs. Yeah man. So to protect our vegetables, yeah man, we have to try different methods, especially if we are trying not to use harsh chemicals. Yeah man, we are trying to keep them as natural as possible. So don't say boy, you try this, you try that. We have to try many different natural stuffs. Yeah? To, you know, keep the things as natural as possible as we can keep them. Yeah. Because it's not nice. We see the bugs and the things them eat down the plants and the vegetables. So we're out here trying different methods and we'll see which one of them will work, you know. Get a few tomatoes off of the tree, you know.